Available for August move-in. The Grounds of Huntsville is a premier horse-friendly property offering 1 and 2 bedroom units for lease. This is a 1-bedroom/1.5 bath loft style apartment. Open floor plan with lots of light. Downstairs is kitchen, living, utility room with west/D connections, and guest half bath. The bedroom is upstairs and has a private ensuite full bath and walk-in closet. Located just minutes north of Huntsville, there are a limited number of on-site horse stalls available for residents to lease.